If you wish to learn content writing and how you can earn money with your articles, then this video is for you. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can generate text based on the input and prompts you provide. However, writing articles with the ChatGPT would require a specific approach. With the ChatGPT, you can generate prompts and write well thoroughly detailed articles with it. Hello everyone, it's me 𝐦𝐨𝐤𝐤𝐞 and welcome to Billion Banks. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can generate your articles with the ChatGPT system and how you can actually generate money with these articles. Before I begin, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you do not miss out on amazing content from this channel. Now let's get down to business. Content writing has been existing for ages. In fact, many people actually earn money with this particular skill, but the problem is not everybody can write. Some can actually write, but not in a professional way. With the ChatGPT system, you can actually earn money and generate your articles with it. The articles you generate from the ChatGPT can actually be monetized. So it's in a simple way which I will be defining in this video. So I'll be giving like 4 to 5 steps on how you can go about this process. So step number 1, define your topic. Now you need to have a topic because this is the command prompt you are going to set into the ChatGPT system. As you can see, here is the ChatGPT. Even though I'm using the ChatGPT Plus, which means I've upgraded my ChatGPT account. So you can still use the free version, but it's just that the paid version, there's more accuracy to it. As you can see, this is the most advanced model with the GPT-4. So let's go to the step 2. So you need to provide a clear prompt. To generate an article with the ChatGPT, you need to send a prompt here, which means let's say, for example, can you write an article, let's say, can you write an article about the benefits of let's say meditation for mental health. So here is the prompt I'm sending. Can you write an article about the benefits of meditation of mental health? So let's begin the process. So here our ChatGPT is generating the articles for the prompt I sent, which is can you write an article about the benefits of meditation from mental health? So here is it, so interesting. Still generating the article, so I think it's okay now. So with the step number 3 now, so you need to review and refine. So once you receive the generated article, which is this, so these are the generated articles. So once you receive the generated article from the ChatGPT, review it and refine it to ensure that it is accurate, well written, and meets your requirements. You can also ask ChatGPT to regenerate additional paragraphs or sections if needed. Are you getting me? So you can still press the regeneration button. So here, so can you see the result now? That is it. So here is how you can generate your articles. So as you can see, ChatGPT, the way it numbers the steps just 1-1, which means you still have to copy this somewhere, probably your Microsoft Word or something, and you have to number it again. So this don't have to be 1. This improve emotional well-being has to be the number 2 as well. So those are what is demanded from your own side. So edit and proofread. After reviewing the generated article, edit and proofread it to ensure that it is free from errors, is properly structured, and flows smoothly. So after this, you can just publish and promote. Once you're satisfied with the final article, publish it on your website or blog and promote it on social media platform to reach your target audience. So that's it about how to generate your articles with the ChatGPT. It is important to know that while ChatGPT can help you to generate content, it's a good idea to supplement it with your own expertise and knowledge to create high quality and engaging articles. Once you're confident enough, you can visit these two websites that will pay you up to $200 where you can submit your articles to earn money. The first one is draft.dev. So you just go to this URL/write, which means you can write for draft.dev. So it's probably where draft.dev seems they accept articles from software developers. So you need to read all this. You need to read the guideline for submitting application. So they create articles for a wide range of readers around the world. So here's one of the reviews. What of the writers are saying, as you can see, this person 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤𝐞 said, draft has contributed to my growth as a developer because I get to learn new technologies while getting paid, and of course learn how to problem solve and organize my thoughts. So here is how to apply it for draft.dev. So your name, your surname, your email address, or samples. So it means you need to have probably written like 3 articles. You can do that with your ChatGPT. So these are the samples of the work you've done before. So how many years of as a writer or something? All our writers are former software engineers, so you can feed here as well. How many years of writing experience do you have? 0 to 3 years. I think that's okay. So your bio, your tech skills, what can you do? Your about tech or something. Are you good in web designing? Are you a programmer? Or do you know, is it UI or UX design or something? So you can just add it here. So, and what are you learning about right now? So give details as well. I think this is recommended. So you just have to fill out the spots. Your location, articles per month. This is how much articles can you contribute per month. Your website or profiling, probably your social media, Facebook, Instagram, or link, your Twitter link, and you had your profile photo as well. So how did you hear about draft.dev? You can just probably say through a research or through a video. So you can drop the video URL, this YouTube video URL. You can drop it here to show that you probably hear about draft.dev from us. So would you like to receive us in? So this doesn't matter, but at least to receive job alert as well. So you can just click this as well. Then you submit your application. So here, how much you're going to be paid is written here already. So writers are paid $315 to $578 per post, and pieces are typically credited to you. The commitment is very flexible, but most writers complete 1 to 2 posts per month. Very interesting. So that's it about the first website. So here, turbocharge your freelance writing. So you just click add to wait list, and before that, let me show you some details about this website as well. So you help tech companies to showcase their product by providing informative and engaging technical articles that appeal to developers. You write on a range of different technical topics and create the best possible rating of visual content. So let me show you how much this website paid the writers. So what are the requirements for writers? In addition to the screening process, we require writers to be 18 years or older, reside in a country where we can make payment and have a reliable internet connection. So how much they pay? So this website actually paid around $150 per article, and we have a 5-point level system that allows writers to earn more depending on their rating and articles completed, which means if you can master how to use a ChatGPT to write professional articles, you can probably earn more than $150. This is what this website is saying. So just go to add me to wait list. I think it's loading. Think on that. So you enter your email, you type your location, and you click join now. So you complete your registration process to that. So you'll be notified via your email whether you are approved or not, which I know you definitely be approved. So that's it about the second website. It's a good thing to have a means of income online. Be intentional with what you do online, because there's enough money in this space. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative and insightful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content on this channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.